And there is Phoebe. I'm carrying her right now. She's being a little peckish, if you know what I mean. Hey, Phoebe. How you doing? Hey, maybe afterwards I'll give you a blueberry. When she was a baby, when her mom was taking care of her, she didn't really do quite well, and she pecked at her and her head started bleeding, and so did her back. And then it was like, so once Mom and Chris noticed, they brought her in, and that's when I was like, we had her as a pet, indoor pet, and I was like, I wonder if she likes blueberries. So I went and I gave her a blueberry. I was giving her a blueberry. She pecked at it and ate it. I was like, oh, I'll give you another one. And after a bit, she loved blueberries so much. This was before we moved here. And I loved rolling her blueberries, and she'd just go running after it. Now I'm doing my real job, which is harvesting parsley. We need a lot of pieces for what we're making. That's one. The kind of parsley I'm harvesting right now is curly head. So, though it doesn't quite look curly like how curly hair is, but still counts as curly. Now I'm heading on to flathead. It's kind of tricky to tell the difference between them. So, when it's the end of my talk, I'm going to show you people, the difference between them. So now I'm going to show you the difference between them. So I'm going to pick one of the stalks I took of this and one of these stalks of the other. You see how this one has like nice leaf edgings like maple leaves? As well as this one, they're a bit like bushy. They look more like, this one would be more like maple tree. If this was part of a tree, this would be a maple tree. This one would really actually just be a bush. Soon, Alex is gonna be harvesting some stuff from our garden. Hi, it's Alex, and we just came home from school. And tonight we're making pasta, and when we make pasta, it's gonna be spaghetti, which is my favorite. So we're picking oregano. I wonder what oregano tastes like.
Try a piece.
Oh, this is gonna taste gross. I know it will. You're doing that smile. Tastes like minty, but not really. It actually doesn't taste that bad. I thought it could be like, but yeah, no.
It's better in pasta sauce.
Yes. I'm just gonna do one more. That's all of it. There's one last one, which is kind of big to all of the other ones. And now for the surprise at the end of this video, I chose to do the wood sorrel, which I call lemon hearts. And sometimes when we're at home, I call them lemon farts. This is why I call them lemon hearts, because they're in the shape of a heart and they taste like lemon. Like a lemon. And sweet lemons, of course. Oh, where did I see that one? Oh, right here. Not cheer marks. Clovers. And the flowers. See?
You gotta hold it still or it doesn't focus. There we go, nice.
don't know how to say it. We have lots in here, as you can see. Oregano and wood sorrel. And we're going to have an awesome dinner. And after this video, we're going to be heading inside to put some tomatoes in hot water. And my job's going to be peeling them and squeezing them. And then dipping my hands in the water. So,
I'll just
be
say,
like this.
So, on to the next, and then you interrupt me, okay, Alex? That would be funny.
Go for it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so on to the next.
Wait, James, Chris said last night that we were supposed to pick the golden raspberries, whatever they're called.
Yeah. I
We're gonna
almost
go check them
forgot. We should go check them.
Let's see.
I remember looking at them last night, and I remember seeing 1, 2 over here. I'm pretty sure I saw 2. Oh, found them!
Where are
And
they?
jackpot!
Are they nice now?
Oh, wow! This one's a big beauty. But we
Wait.
need to
found
wash
one
it.
too.
Get closer together.
Beep, boop, boop.
So what are you going to say about them?
Well, I think they're the biggest ones that we found.
Well, so far,
There's
there's
a
some
lot
other
more.
ones, but this is the only amount we found so far.
And then there's
But there was a huge
this
thing of them.
one. Then this one.
Let me see. Let me see around this direction.
So is that it?
I think so.
But in a couple days, look at these babies that are growing.
And there's some
And they're
right
all
there.
around the
There's some right
tops, so they're going to be easily be able to be spotted.
there. Maybe we'll do a raspberry picking video.
There's a whole bunch on that one right there, too.
Wait,
Where?
Hang on.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, right here?
Oh, yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's tons.
That are going to grow, right?
These are really good.
Big boy.
Well, thank you for watching Hickorycroft Farm.
On to the next thing now.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.